Hi there, this is Steve Miley, the Market Chartist on behalf of ForexTraders.com, and we're now going to take a look at both the Australian and New Zealand dollars, both against the US dollar, both exhibiting a still intermediate term bullish tone in here, and also a very short term bullish tone in here, reinforcing upside pressures that we've seen anyhow from June. So here, first of all, here the Australian dollar, the strong rally we've had in here, certainly signalling a more positive tone. But the early July setback did question that bullish tone in here, and there was real threat for a push down through 75.32, which would neutralize the intermediate term bullish theme. But the strong recovery rally that we've seen in here over the last week, and particularly in here over the last 24 to 48 hours, has really rejected a potential for more negative tone or a move back to neutral through 75.2 on that intermediate term outlook. And there's real risk now in the very short term up to 77.12 and 77.19, and then maybe above this critical peak up here at 77.50. And if we go to the bigger chart, real threat up through this peak from March at 77.50 now, and that would fully then re-energize upside threats going into July. Similar story for the New Zealand dollar in here. A downside correction we saw in here through early July, potential small top structure in here, breaking down through these trend line supports, but the market just again more recently, the last 48 hours, having a strong rebound effort, and that has really neutralized negative pressures, neutralized the risk of a deeper correction. And then again, bigger picture, if we go to the daily chart, the real threat is now to re-energize this whole rally that we've had from May through June into July, and for these higher targets up here, 73.76, 74.03, and maybe up here to this bigger cycle peak at 74.85. This has been Steve Miley, the Market Chartist on behalf of ForexTraders.com, and I wish you a great trading week.